Hello everyone, this is Dr. Indris Raj from Radiant International IT Group. Here I am to show you how we can build up a list from Excel. As we have learned earlier, you know that we can start or we can build up Excel from list from different perspective for different points. For instance, if you just go ahead and click here and want to order or want to tell Microsoft to open list, it just gives us an option. So it's asking us, are you going to do it from blank list, from existing list, from Excel, from CVS? Or even we can build up from templates here. For instance, if you just want to build up issue tracker list, we don't have to go ahead and do everything because Microsoft has made everything so simple to the point that we have to click this one and adapt or customize it and make it our own list. But in this session, I just want to show you how we can start or how we can build up from Excel. But one thing before we just move on doing importing our file or our data archive from Excel, the first thing which we have to start from is that we have to format the Excel. For instance, if you just see this Excel file, you can see that it's not been formatted well. I mean, it just remains a lot of, we have to make sure that it's been filtered and to the point that it really is something worthy of being a list. So what can we do or what should we do to format this one? What you should do is that, we first have to click on here or in one of, the places. Then we have to press Control A so that, everything is going to be like formatted. So we have to format it here. We have to first click here inside of it, then format it. Then we have to come this point where it says format the table and tell to Excel to get it formatted. I mean, we can choose any one of it, but they usually I will do this one. Then my table has a header. Yes, my table. If it doesn't have a header, I don't have to click this one. So I have to press this one and click OK. So now, as you can see that, a little asterisks are being shown up right here at the point. That means this Excel file is ready to be formatted or moved. But this Excel file is already on the cloud. So I just want to use the same type of file which I have already formatted earlier to build up this to show you what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and click here and I have to press upload. Then what Microsoft gonna do is that gives me the option to develop my own file from here. So I can click one of the files which I have already have it here. So for instance, I can like click this one or anything. Then I have to make open. So what SharePoint is gonna do is that it just gives me another option to like edit my file. It gives me do not import. I can say do not import or I can change the file the data type here. I have to make sure that we're gonna filter that. So this is a number or a currency or title, or even I can leave it as it is. Or even I can go ahead and choose and reformat my file. Once I'm done doing that, what I have to press is that I have to say next. Now again, SharePoint is giving me the option to change its name. I can rename my list from here, or I can add even the description, the purpose, of building, the list is to register, or I can say anything. I can add. Oh, sorry. Oops. Yeah, list and blah blah so that people whenever come they have got a reference. So I can press create. What SharePoint does is that it just goes back and if I click continue, so it just continuously imports this file so that I can have my own list. Or if I just want only the archive, I can still click here. It just brings me the whole archive so that I can add the data here. I can still import this data so that I can have it here. Or if I just want, I can use this the archive itself, and I can click new so that I can continuously import or add my data. So once I got that data, this the same list is gonna be used the same way I usually use my data. So that's how you build up SharePoint from Excel. Thank you.